Okay, this is a cabin tour, 1590 Ocean View on the Sunshine.
Okay, we're good.
Ahoy! Come on in to room 1590.
Oh my god.
Bubba, take it away.
This is room 1590.
Okay, so when you first walk in, you have there's a bed. It's supposed to be a pull-out couch.
That's
But
mine.
this is the bed I'm sleeping on today, and you also have your bunk bed. Then, you have your thermostat, control the room temperature, the bathroom, but it's occupado. Then you have your snooze and cruising sign, your
Room service.
service menu. Over here, you have your water, your glasses, have your drawers so you can unpack. Also, when you first walk in, I'll wait till Philip backs up. You have your getting ready area, your mirror, like a vanity area. Have your flat screen TV. And then this is an ocean view cabin, so you have a porthole window. And I'm gonna let Bubba explain the rest to you.
Okay, so if you come over here, water. And then, as you can see, I don't know what these are, but they're comfy. And they gave us some little magazines, in case y'all want to read some. Got this luggage. They were sitting outside our room. I don't know what they're for though. And light. And right behind you is a painting for decor.
And then if you have like a big group, there's like a door that leads to the next cabin. But we're not going to use that door because we don't know who's next door. And then we're going to come over here to your life jackets in case you have an emergency. Also, your safe is located in here. It's kind of dark, but you get the point. It's a safe, life jackets. Then you have a closet right here. Oh, there's the life jackets in here. Then our dresses hanging up and stuff. And then we have more storage space in this closet right here, which has extra hangers that you can use, and a shelf. Normally you get like robes and stuff. That's only if you're staying like, on the spa deck or something. So you're gonna follow me into the bathroom. It's kind of tight in here, but you have your toilet right here. Shower comes with shower gel and shampoo. Then you have your towels, and then you have your soap, sink area, typical mirror and stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this room tour. This is cabin 1590. I'm gonna open up the drawers. See, they have a blow dryer in here. And then you got, safety information, your directory and stuff. If you want to fill out laundry information to give to your steward, that's another drawer right there. Phone, room service menu. Can't forget the room service menu. It's not free anymore. Sorry, but there's 24-hour pizza and ice cream, so
Wait, room service
bon
isn't free
appetit. No.
What? Oh,
After a certain time, it isn't.
oh, okay.
Did you hear I said bon appetit?
Bon appetit.
So, also, there's only 2 plugs in here. So make sure you bring I don't think you can bring a surge protector, so make sure you bring like a box or something. I'll show you guys later. You can charge like 6 stuff at one time, and you have 2 plugs, so. Then you have your remote. And then there's a chair down here too for the vanity area as well.
Oh, just letting you know, I'm a first-time cruiser. I've never been here before.
He's not.
So.
And you have your towels, and they have to stay in the room or you'll get charged for it. And you can take them anywhere you want on the ship, just as long as you bring it back. And I don't know if they don't have refrigerators in the rooms anymore, but you also have this underneath the TV area, so you can put that there.
So now we will tour this room right here.
No, we're not.
Just kidding.
That's the TV. That's pretty much it for this room tour. Stateroom 1590 on the Carnival Sunshine. That's the bunk bed right there. Oh, I'm Andy. That's
Bye-bye.
Bubba. Thanks for watching.
Arr! Yarny.
Kayla. You don't need to know my name.
And that's mommy.
And the person behind the camera. Alrighty, stay tuned. Bye.
Yeah.